The other day I was looking at a spreadsheet a colleague of mine had built. Everything looked perfectly alright, until I changed one of the input values. A nasty message popped up complaining about circular references. When I called my colleague, he told me I must have messed with his formulas. There is a way my colleague could have prevented his spreadsheet model from displaying this annoying surprise message. PerfectXL is capable of finding circular references even before Excel itself highlights them. To find them, click the Risk Overview button. Let's look at the section called Structure Issues. When you click it, all structure-related issues will appear in this list. Currently there's only one, a circular reference. Clicking this entry opens a table with more details about the issue.